Most people spend their whole lives working for money, but the wealthy, they build systems that make money for them. That's the shift that Robert Kiyosaki talks about in the cash flow quadrant. And today I'm going to show you how women are making that same shift by building their own white labeled SaaS businesses, even if they've never written a line of code. I'm Stacia Kennedy. I'm a mom, an entrepreneur, a systems coach. And when I first heard the word SaaS, I thought that's for tech bros in Silicon Valley. But here's the truth. SaaS simply just means software as a service. It's just a software that people use every single month, like Netflix or Canva or Zoom. And with a white label platform, you can actually own your own version of that software, put your own name on it, your logo, have your own pricing, your own business. It's your business. You don't even have to invent the new technology. You're branding and selling something that's proven under your own system. And that's when it hit me. SaaS isn't about tech, it's about freedom. So for years, I lived on what Robert Kiyosaki calls the S quadrant, self employed. I was doing marketing for clients, building funnels, coaching entrepreneurs, and it's nonstop. If I didn't show up, then the money didn't show up either. And that's when I discovered that you could take the same systems I built for clients and turn them into your own white labeled SaaS. Now, instead of doing the work manually for each person, my clients actually log into the platform and pay a monthly subscription to use my branded tools. And that one shift from doing the work to owning the system moved me from the S quadrant to the B quadrant, from hustling in my business to owning a business that runs for me. So here, if you've never read the book, I'll give you the rundown. The cash flow quadrant works like this. We have the E that stands for employee, and then you work for someone else. You have one boss. If you are in the self-employed like myself, you work for yourself, but you're still trading time for money. You got 10 different bosses, like a whole bunch of clients, right? But the B is the business owner, where you own the system that makes you money. And in the I quadrant is the investor, the money that actually makes money for you. So most entrepreneurs, especially women, they get stuck in the S quadrant. We work so hard. We're good at it, what we do, but it all depends on us. With owning your own white label, this moves you into the B quadrant because now you own the system. You're not working harder anymore. You're not the worker anymore. You're the owner. And so you get to decide the pricing, the audience that you want to work with, the brand, and the system runs for you 24/7. And that's my leap from the S quadrant to the B quadrant, from hustling in my business to owning a system that runs for me. When I saw how much freedom the white label SaaS gave me, the peace that really gives you the reoccurring income, the flexibility, the confidence, I realized that this model is a total game changer. And it's not just for me. So if you're a woman who's tired of trading time for money, here are 3 reasons that this business model was made for you. Number 1, white label platforms give you ownership. Like I've been saying here, with a white label SaaS, you don't have to hire developers. You start from a proven system, a whole system that you get to brand as your own, put your logo, pick up your own colors, your clients, whether you work with real estate agents, roofers, solar, or any small business, med spas, you get to choose who you want to work with. And then you also get to create your own pricing and charge whatever you want. You're not just reselling someone else's business like a franchise. You're building your own brand on top of a proven technology, and you're in full control. Reason number 2, recurring revenue equals predictable freedom. Every month, your clients pay their subscription automatically. No chasing invoices, no starting from zero every month. This kind of recurring income creates stability. And that stability gives us women choices. Money just gives you options. You can work less, you can rest more, and build wealth on predictability. Right? Reason number 3, systems create true flexibility. A white label SaaS runs even when you don't. So when your client logs in, uses the tools, if they want to get up at 2 a.m. and work on their business inside of the software, You're not waking up at 2 in the morning. They can log in at any time and your income continues to flow, whether you're on vacation, spending time with your family, or just taking a day off. That's not hustle, that's leverage. And that's the secret to time freedom. I started as a freelancer trading time for money, and now I own a branded system that earns income, serves people. I feel good about it, and it gives my time back. And here's the truth: women are naturally built for this model because we're community driven, we're service focused and detail oriented, all the things that make a SaaS company successful. And we're not just entering the tech space, we are redefining it. So now let me show you what it actually looks like. Here's my actual branded software. At the top left-hand corner, you can see this is my own white label SaaS. It's completely branded under my company. I didn't build it from scratch. I customize it so I can use this platform that allows me to white label and resell it under my own brand. If you want to learn how to do the same thing, all you have to do is download my free playbook, the SaaS Business Secrets Playbook, in the description below. It walks you step by step through how to create and launch your own white label SaaS, even if you're starting from zero. And in my next video, I'll show you how to set up your first SaaS funnel, not burnout. Hit that subscribe button, and your white label SaaS era starts right now. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next video.